Hi everyone, I'll show you how to do hard reset on your, or factory reset on your LG v35 Thinq. As you can see right here, make sure the phone is completely off. Then you'll need to hold volume down and then press power, and then once you see the LG logo, you'll need to release power button and then press again quick. So press volume down and volume down once the phone is completely off, and then press power, and then once you see the LG logo, release power and press again. Okay, and here it is. You're in factory data reset. You can use volume up and down to control, and then if you want to do say yes, you'll need to press on power, yes, and then if you want to do factory reset, press yes. Well, scroll down, it'll take some time to do hard reset on the phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and bye bye.